If you are anything like me, you most probably have a ton of work to do and do not enjoy spending time with repetitive activities. Sure that you can find other stuff that are much more pleasant.
This video will show you how to get some of your time back by automating bulk email messages. First, let's take a look at the apps that we are going to use. We only need Outlook to send the emails, so if you already have an account, then no need to worry, just be sure that you are signed in. The only thing that you can do here is actually put your Outlook on work offline mode, so in this way at the end of this video, instead of sending those emails, you can take a look at them in Outbox first. The actual email that you'll be sending, it's written in Word. You can compose the body however you feel appropriate for the need of your emails. Now let's choose what's the information, what are the labels that you're going to change from email to email. For the sake of this example, we're going to change the name, the company name, the amount that's due, and the due date. Of course, you can add as many rows as you want, you can add as many lines as you want, so you have no limitations when it comes to how many information you can put here or you can extract. But where is this information coming from? No, it's not coming from God, it's coming from this Excel file. As you can see, we have the same columns as we have tags in the Word. So each row represents one email. But how exactly is the info getting from Excel to Word?
The Excel file should contain all the columns that are represented by tags in the Word document. Besides those columns, we also need to have in the Excel file the email addresses where we want to send the emails. In the Excel file, you can have as many lines as you want, so this means as many emails you want to send, and as many columns as you want, and this means as many tags do you want to include in the Word document. Now let's move to the Word file. This is the place where we are going to transform the tags into links with the Excel file. First, go to Mailings, then Start Mail Merge, and select Email Message. Afterwards, select Recipients and use an existing list. Browse to find the Excel file and click Open. Since we only have a table, we will go with OK. Now the tags are imported. We only need to place them in the correct order. So go to Insert Merge field and replace each tag with the appropriate column. Here we can easily see that each line of the Excel file represents an email. Okay, so we are almost done. Finish and merge, select the column where the emails are, and now just add a subject line, whatever you feel it's appropriate to your email message. And of course, this subject line will be sent as a subject to all the emails. And once that's done, you just need to press OK. And now just move to Outlook and take a look at the emails that you've auto-generated. So this is how you free some time to do what you really love instead of sending email messages.